the origin of the very rustic stonework. It's rocks, they really, on top of each other, no outside plastering or anything like that. A very, very unusual design, and no one could quite figure what its origin was. And we suddenly clicked. Professor this and Professor that, they were all slightly dumbfounded, couldn't nonplussed by it. And a young one teaching architecture down in WIT in Waterford hit the nail on the head. She had gone down visiting friends or on some project or whatever down south of Naples, down that coast of Italy. And lo and behold, what did she see but rustic buildings of this sort? Now, back in the time of back in the middle 1700s or whatever, the young lord of places like this would have been on for a bit on the side in the summer, and they'd have hit off on a thing called the Grand Tour. Okay, and in those days, the Grand Tour was to go to Rome, which was in ruins, but everyone stayed with the rich and mighty in Naples, is where they stayed. And when the young lord from here went on the Grand Tour that time, they always sent, families like that, always sent some minders to keep them sort of half out of trouble. And the minder who was sent was the younger brother of the land agent here, a man called Chanley, who actually the house was where Philip Wingfield was, up at Salterbridge, where Vernon is now. And Thomas Chanley became a famous architect, and he made books of his ideas and thoughts and everything. And one of them we've actually got a copy of here, but the original is in the library in Burr. And in that part of it, in one chapter in the book, you can see a whole lot of buildings of this rough cut type of design. And so that's what the origin was.